Hi, my name is Rod Campbell from Team Homebrew. I've brewed over 200 batches of beer. Some of these have been really good, others not so much, but my most memorable beer was my first all-grain beer. It was a Belgian Wit. I was really excited to try all-grain brewing and the beer was fantastic. I really enjoyed it and it was by far the best beer I've made at that point. Today I'm going to show you how to make beer from raw ingredients. So we'll be using malted barley, hops, water and yeast. We're going to be using some simple equipment you'll probably have in your kitchen already. And we're going to follow some really clear steps to make a really good beer. There's little science or theory in this course. We're going to focus on the practical steps you need to take to make beer from its raw ingredients. While all grain brewing is a little bit more complicated, nothing's too difficult, it's really exciting and you'll get a really good beer at the end of the day. If you've homebrewed before from concentrated kits, all grain brewing is a natural progression to make really good beer. If you're keen to learn more about home brewing, all grain brewing and other advanced home brewing techniques, I encourage you to have a look at our Team Homebrew Masterclass. In here you'll find advanced courses like this one, covering everything from all grain brewing to kegging to clearing beer and a variety of other topics. You'll also get access to our forum where you can ask questions and share your experience with other members. This is a great way to improve your homebrewing skills and knowledge, and I encourage you to check it out.